Ka Khliehriat Higher Secondary School ka Wainaki School Bapau Bhaha Eastern Hills District haka sngi balang kalasdang ya ka Jingrakhe Jubili Ksiar haka bakum ka school ka badai ka shlem ai jingnang jingsta kalaya lang baya kisan phau tili kisnem haka jing shakri ban ai ka start ka tip haka than Ukongsan uba Kyrmen Shylla lakantiu ya kalama Jubili pat ka SDSEO Eastern Hills District ka kong perina dakhar kala palai pat penher ya ki balun Jubili Menteri ke Sarkar Jela Ubdairu UMLE Katany Uba Kyrmen Shylla ula longkum ukongsan hakani kasni ula ai ka jingkhublai kit bok kit riang pat ula ai sngo pharu shilak tangka kum ka jingno senyang shakani ka school Uba Kyrmen Shylla open pau ka jing sngo komen u ai ka jingkhublai kit bok kit riang ba sngo buram ya ka Khliehriat Higher Secondary School pat ha ka jingkren chung ula kerteng din shaka menor balale ha kituki por ba udang longkum ukhna school uba pule hakani ka school pat ula ong ru ba ka menor balale kadai ka basa jingkan maushi junom haka jing im chung
and respect. This Khliehriat Higher Secondary School Jubilee flag, with its color, emblem and theme, a golden past, a shining future, proudly represents our collective accomplishment, our shared goals, the unwavering commitment,
hope and faith with a spirit of empowerment, especially for the poor and marginalized. We also pray, Lord, as we inaugurate the year-long celebrations of the Golden Jubilee of our school, bless us and our initiatives. We implore your guidance and protection in the events and programs that we are to be held in our school. And with the blessings of our founder, Don Bosco, who will enable us to create a spirit of joy and optimism among our boys and girls during these celebrations. Dear
Khliehriat Higher Secondary School is the loving name of our school. Each day we strive from the big and small for the world to be in peace. We came far from the east and west. We dare to dream or to do their best. Don Bosco, our patron and guide, may the Lord grant His grace. Knowledge and virtue is our motto. Each day to grow and grow. Knowledge and virtue is our motto. Each day to grow and grow. And be a light that shines to all is a cause of peace and joy. In fraternity and integrity, we will battle the evil war. We came far from the east and west. We dare to dream or to do their best. Don Bosco, our patron and guide, may the Lord grant His grace. Knowledge and virtue is our motto. Each day to grow and grow. Knowledge and virtue is our motto. Each day to grow and grow.
Thank you so much for your kind welcome, especially the moment I enter. I feel like I'm a rock star. The moment I enter, everyone is screaming, shout out loud. This kind of surrounding, I've never heard it, I've never get a chance, but I got it from you. Thank you so much for your warm welcome, your kind, and I believe that the same respect what you shows today, you will show it not only to our teachers, even to your parents, to your elders, and even to your youngers too. Because nothing is more important than respect. If you lost your respect, and everything is lost. Hetelo ubensyure ujuk mo kanava to students young product of Khliehriat Higher Secondary School. nga la yesemen na yenya kemar yang pi sang sorong mau om to nga product Jong gani Khliehriat Higher Secondary School nei ti dau ke yi wi light lady ke yi wi snyau dunai ke yi bum tv kerpat ebi kam ki kena school go kelipi na kinoi kai obi kiwi earthly words which is very popular in our times. I believe all my schoolmates, they do remember that words. And that is yes and no. Do you believe that? Actually, why? Most of us, we don't speak in English. We listen English, we understand English, but we don't speak English. If the teacher asks something, do you understand? We said yes. Very rare we said no. We scared that he might ask where you don't understand. That's why we only say yes, yes, which we don't know also. And most of the time we turn, we try to sit near a friend who is brighter than us, who's smarter than us. Because if we don't know, we will ask to him and he'll answer on our behalf. Marsin siya hamani por hawa yo online, lamba yo ngini school. Ikmat yang ngam tudam ki pai checking school. The weak memories, the wada kata I feel I believe, but ye wada de kata I iboro ki walai pure chek bi dwa ki tha. Masan pass matric nangini school, lai pure Shillong College. Haden le banai yo one dong chichnong. Heti por marsan marlai ke keri, lai da sumu iti por chong. Pajo yagini ke school. Mkut iti ikmat yang ngakat bom mkut ke school. Paja kap kenna. Ni bah ile jia kap te ki memories. Kawi bos ngau dia with you por. Mars and pass. Woro ki classmate ki yang ngau jo ye kende e ba yang khai dan dai. I missed him a lot. Tang was sam men ba biang o ip. Wa ki yu jian ubla yang ane kam nomi kmat nagini ke thai. De yo yang chiam ki classmate ki yang de yo chiam ki perlok ki moya ki yang Wadi am ki profession ki per. Kam tam gitu ki wa man kam ki nong rem da. Yo online sia yung chi yung ki. Ni ba ti ba bi nga kam yung na to online sia yung chi yung ki lok ki jor he por campaign kam tam por lab election ni. Ta yo sia mo hinu am ki ki lok ki jor ki yung na. Tengah ngai yo to untuk woro yo kam ki opportunity. Hari sam meni om. Lambai yo teknologi ba em kan ni. Yo ikalar communicate. But quick request na leyonga, try not to lose your friend, not to lose even a single friend. Ni ba ki perlok yang pi to man di kami di spa ko pim yi bi the.